Hello everyone, how are you doing today? This video is about a highly profitable topic. I truly hope it will be very useful and instrumental content that helps teachers increase their income, multiply their earnings, improve their lifestyles, and reach the next level in their careers. Actually, I want to show and clearly explain to teachers exactly how they can move their work online, as well as how they can increase their income through that transition, and also how they can sell their educational programs through social media platforms. Our content sequence will consist of two main stages. The first stage is about understanding how the market itself works today, meaning, in other words, how the market operates right now. I'll show you exactly how trade is done here, step by step. And the second part will be about the current situation, as well as how we can sell our products and lessons for up to 10 times more by using the same tools that the current market uses. I want to clearly show and explain all of this to you. This will be a very useful and valuable video, and I am sure it will be content that truly opens your mind. Right from the very start of the video, I encourage you to pay close attention. Don't forget to hit the like button because I think it's hard to find such information even for money. Let me give a brief introduction for those who are seeing me for the first time. Since 2019, I've been in the media field. To date, I've worked with over 50 clients, many of whom you might follow and like. I have personally helped entrepreneurs and experts build their personal brands, nearly 1,000 of them. I have mentored entrepreneurs and experts on building personal brands, and I believe that if you are just starting out in this field and lack experience, I can provide a lot of useful information. Over 5 or 6 years, we've made many mistakes and invested heavily in our knowledge, and I'm sharing the insights gained from that through this content. If you've already hit the like button, then let's move on to the content. Let's start. We'll begin by answering the question of what the current market situation is and how teachers usually sell their products in today's market. Now let's take an example. We can use any teacher. Currently, English teachers are the most popular and many are doing quite well. In a scenario adapted for these teachers, today in the market, on average, I will try to show and explain how things are working. Content is being created on Instagram. Let's say reels are being posted, and out of these reels, in 1 month, let's say 3 are sales oriented. From one, let's say 10 inquiries came in. From the second, 8 inquiries came. From the third, 12 inquiries came, and in the end, the total number of inquiries reached 30. Over a month, that's an average of 1 per day. It works out, and from 30 inquiries, we had 3 people actually buy from us each month. For the course or product that we are offering, this averages out to about 10%. Now, if we calculate these lessons as being held on Zoom individually and consider everything else included, even if each is sold at a high price, it comes to a total of 800,000 sums per month. And this, multiplied by 3, it becomes 2,400,000 sums. For now, some have implemented this, while others haven't. There are only a few teachers who have organized their work according to this exact system. There are very few people doing this. Now, this is better than nothing, and with 2,400,000 added every month in 3 months, it will be nearly 10 million sums. For example, if 3 students join the first month, then 6, then 9 in the third month, the teacher makes a decent income. This is one way, but I want to show and explain to you a way to earn 10 times more than this, meaning more than 2,400,000 with specific facts, sequences, and funnels, how we can take this 2,400,000 and turn it into 24 million. I want to show and explain the exact strategy. We've prepared this in advance, and I'll move it over here now to show and explain it to you in a real life scenario. Let's say you're a teacher. You'll work a bit differently in this system. In case you're wondering, Asror, I don't understand these direct messages, sales, or these examples. I don't even know how to make reels yet. And on Instagram, my profile isn't optimized. I haven't even started posting content. I don't know how to get views. If you have these questions, we've prepared a large video lesson in the description of this video. It's a great comprehensive guide on getting views, optimizing your profile, strategies for starting a personal brand, and how to work with content plans. You can watch and learn from that. So this question is answered for now. Just don't switch to that video immediately. Go there after you finish this one because I'll explain it to you now, and then you can learn how to optimize your profile and what needs to be done to organize it systematically to dive deeper into this work. For now, keep your mind open. Now, to earn 10 times more income, we need to set up the funnel a bit differently, the system a bit differently, and the effort will have to be a bit more as well. So at the very beginning of our funnel, we have Reels. We start by posting Reels. Content is the best tool for us to get free traffic, to introduce ourselves for free, to bring people to us for free, and to provide us with students for free. This is the Reels feature on Instagram. We post content based on our field, our expertise, and the knowledge we have. We post videos providing some information within our specialty, and people see us, and they subscribe and eventually buy our product. So we start posting Reels, and what do we do with these Reels? Previously, we went straight to direct, but now we direct these Reels to a private channel on Telegram. That is, we prepare free lessons for people in the private channel. Let's say for English, I've prepared 5 free lessons for the beginner level. If you want to start learning English, these lessons will definitely be useful for you. For that, join my private Telegram channel and you'll be offered these lessons for free. This is how people are moved to the private channel. And the purpose of giving free lessons in the private channel should be that after you've given, say, 5 free lessons, in the 5th lesson, an offer is made to buy the full program. Like, I've explained everything to you. If you've felt a good connection, if you've developed an interest, and if you liked my explanation, then please, I have paid lessons. An offer is made that you can buy these lessons. Let's say after 5 free lessons, you've prepared 15 paid lessons for the beginner level, for example, and you've offered these paid lessons. The interesting part is here. The goal of selling those paid lessons shouldn't be just to sell the lessons themselves. Those paid lessons should be a tripwire product. It should be a lesson that jumps you to your next product. It should be a lesson that leads them further. That is, it should be content that leads them to product 1 or 2 or 3. Product 1 could be, say, elementary level lessons after beginner. Product 2 could be direct individual lessons via Zoom. Product 3 could be, let's say, lessons held in an offline format. Now, if we look at the average numbers here, if you can get 1 million views on your Reels in a total of 1 month, if you get 1 million views with an average conversion rate, you'll have the opportunity to move 10,000 people to your private Telegram channel. There are various ways to move them. You can move them by placing a link in your highlights, for example. You can move them by giving a link in your profile bio. The most effective of them is a chatbot service called ChatPlace. They write, say, free in the comments, and it automatically goes to their direct. There are services for links. You can connect them and transfer people. Anyway, there are many ways, but on average, for 1 million views, getting 10,000 people into a closed channel is the current market conversion rate today. Even if 10,000 people join the channel, not everyone watches the free lessons. If we assume 10% of them, which is 1,000 people, watch your lessons up to the 5th one, and out of those 1,000 people, if, for example, 100 of those people out of all your audience actually show genuine interest in buying your next set of lessons, and you decide to offer these lessons for just 250,000 sums each, then when 100 people go ahead and purchase your product, you end up with a total of 25 million in net profit, and that's almost without any significant expenses at all. So instead of earning just 2.4 million or even 24 million, it's actually possible to reach as much as 25 million. This demonstrates how scaling up your audience and pricing can really make a difference in your overall profit, even with minimal costs involved. Achieving this with the same content, the same effort, just by slightly changing the tactics and the tools, and by changing the amount of effort that is put in. And if after purchasing this initial tripwire product, they decide to buy any of our next products, which could include, for example, live Zoom lessons, comprehensive elementary lessons, or even separate in-person offline lessons, then that opens up even more opportunities. For instance, if you were to make another $25 million in revenue from those additional products, you would end up with a total net profit of $50 million in just 1 month. I am just giving these as examples to illustrate the potential outcomes and possibilities that can arise from this approach. This is certainly possible. And the most interesting, most important, and most fundamental part is that you actually earn this income online from any corner of the world, whether it's Dubai, Bali, or let's say European countries and so on. Wherever you are, You give your lessons, build platforms, offer your lessons to people, and make sales. And you have the opportunity to earn 50 million a month with just this funnel. Now compare this with your current job. You go to work somewhere and have a salary of say 6, 7 or 8 million. Now think about the difference in conversion and how much this simple scheme can change your life. I know that in many cases teachers don't earn bad money. They earn 1,000, 2,000 or 3,000, but they are completely exhausted. Lessons start at 7 or 8 in the morning and go until 8 or 9 at night. What kind of life is that? If you earn money but don't have time to spend it, I think that's also wrong. That's why, yeah, exactly. I think it's really great that you've worked while knowing your true worth. Now let me share a little secret with you. Here with 1 million views, we saw this kind of result, right? But what if this number increases to 2 million? What if your reels actually get 2 million views? And what if it gets 4 million views? What if your monthly reach becomes 8 million? What happens then? 2 times. 4 times, 8 times, the numbers in this section are likely to change because according to our funnel, if 10,000 people visit the channel with 1 million views, with 8 million views, an average of 80,000 people might visit. Now let's say 40,000 visit instead of 80,000. In that case, what happens? 150 million, 200 million from your online business alone. By simply conducting your current lessons in a way that keeps up with the times, you'll have the opportunity to reach even more people than before. If you wonder whether such numbers are actually possible, numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 or even 8 million views, let me share my own experience. For instance, let me tell you my average for July 2025, which is the month we are currently in. My monthly reach was an impressive 47 million. If the screenshots are available, we'll try to show them in this video. 47 million reach is a great number and such figures are achievable, especially since my niche is very narrow. If you're a teacher of English or similar subjects, the audience is much larger and there are more interested people. You can really play with the numbers there. You have this opportunity, but you might not be using it. Changing your life, marketing yourself, for example, improving your lifestyle, moving your work online, these things are truly all entirely in your hands. I really hope I've been able to show you the opportunities that exist based on today's market. Now, if you're wondering how to get those real views, how to best optimize your profile, how to package it, or how to make effective sales videos and so on, if you have these kinds of questions, then somewhere around this video, you'll find more information or helpful resources to guide you. At the end of this video, it will appear. We've prepared a comprehensive video showing the steps to build a personal brand from scratch, strategies, how to work with content plans, and packaging. You can get detailed information through that video. Besides that, we have courses you can enroll in to learn more deeply, depending on your situation and goals. If this information was helpful, don't forget to like it. Write your field in the comments. If you're a teacher, share the great tools and insights you've gained or any inspiring thoughts you have in the comments. If you work in a field other than teaching, let me know in the comments of this video saying, I do this and that. Maybe next time I'll try to create a similar funnel for your field and give feedback on the sequence of how it works. Stay healthy. This was Asror Iskandarov. See you in the next videos. See you soon.